Hudson here, he's helping me. And we've got some new brakes here. And I've got all my tools out. So, shouldn't be too long, fingers crossed. And here's the old brake. That shoe's cracked. And that shoe's non-existent. So there's the new one. These are your old shoes. Look, well, they all just fell apart. New one's in there now. Job done. Just wanted to make a quick bacon egg burger, but I don't know what that bloody cloud looking like. Should be right. Bloody, this is living, eh? Just locking up. Go for a little lap. Had me bacon and egg burger in Cooktown with Captain James Cook. It was absolutely delicious and I feel ready to drive. I've just passed Lakeland. Next stop's going to be Laura, where I'll fuel up, stretch my legs and take a photo or two. Have a look. I just pulled up for a wee there, so I might throw the drone up and get one of them overhead shots of the hay bales. I'm just in the little town of Laura. She's beautiful in here. Yeah, you got all the snacks and supplies. Anyway, I'm on my way. Buddy, one of the tyres on the trailers just shit itself. Just reached out the back and there's a whole chunk of rubber missing. Oh. Well, I hope that's fixed it. At least until I get to somewhere I can replace this tyre. She's bargain. Corrugations for miles. Going down to 25. I'm just up here at Han River and old mate's getting a tyre for me. We got this one here. I don't think that's going to fucking last, but it's got more air in it than this, like, fuck. The Han River Roadhouse. To Musgrave and there's a campsite there and it's just really busy. Not that there's anything wrong with that, or you know, I'm using hmmm maps, there's no reception. I'm gonna go try and find a spot and hopefully no one else around. I don't think you can get any more in the bush. I'm gonna get set up here and have a fire. I'll send my drone up and have a look, see where I'm at. forever. I've got my tent opened up and it's drying out. I've already laid out my carpet, set up my office desk, my office and my chair. I'm just going to go and hunt down some firewood now and set up a little pit just here. Get ready to cook dinner. I'll set up my shower and my toilet. Firewood cache. Got a waterfront view. Haven't seen any crocodiles yet. Hopefully they'll just fucking leave me alone. Here's my little camp and I like it. Just got out what I want for dinner. I've got some leftover tomato pasta and it's beautiful. I put that in the frying pan. I got frozen chicken thigh out ready to defrost and I got a beer. Been a massive day. Got up early. I was at the Lions Den Hotel last night. Stayed up till about 11, I think, drinking some beers, talking with these people. I remember all of their names. There was Neil and Glenda and Adrian, Julie and their kids, Hudson and Ava, Robert, Rose. Anyway, I had a good sleep. I probably woke up at about 4 o'clock in the morning. There was roosters going off. When I got up, I went and had a shower. Lions Den shower house. It was bloody awesome. It really was. It was great. Clean amenities and hot water, and it was, yeah, good flow. Decided I was going to do the brakes on the trailer, so I did that. Started just before 7. I rattled the wheels off, the drums, the brakes, and then we had to reattach the wires. Neil had a soldering torch and some solar. Well, Neil fixed it for me. Thanks, Neil. I'm bloody rough when it comes to delicate stuff like that. I need 110 amps minimum and then I can burn it in. And I just drove. I had that blowout on the side of the highway. I was on the PDR right at the start, my trailer, after I left Laura. I thought I was going to go to Bramwell today. Yeah, when I was there fueling up, she said, how about you go to Musgrave? It's really nice there. And I said, righto. So I drove out to Musgrave on the PDR. I got there and I could already see it was busy. So I fucking drove up this road, launched my drone, and I found this spot. And there's just no one here. I've just been taking photos. I lit the fire, I made my bed, I put my clothes away, I've cleaned the toilet, I raked the site, I cut a firewood, I got a fire going, I've changed batteries in all my lighting gear. The only thing left to do now is have a nice shower. Have a shower under the stars. I've just had a beautiful meal. That dinner was delicious. So I'm satiated. I've had a few beers. Yeah, set up for a shower, have a chop and get under the stars and wash myself off. Plates fit in, I'm going to drill a hole right in the centre. Set up. Good morning, and getting all my gear on charge, ready for another day. Thought I'd show you my charging setup. I'm still fine tuning it, but I think it goes great so far. So here, I'll show you. I've got my 1500 watt inverter from King's, MacBook Pro charger going, and also a power outlet. 1, 2, 3 drone batteries on charge, remote control on charge, GoPro batteries, my Canon phone is on charge. It's all powered by the sun, obviously. A 200 watt solar panel on there. I've pretty much got it all covered, I think. So I've got another firewood cache for one more night. I'm just editing some of these photos from Notch Point. It's bloody beautiful, eh? Have a look at the colours in that. Unbelievable. Oh, I thought I was in the shit. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Fuck off. Cheers, brother.
Yeah, cheers, mate. There you go.
What's cracking?
Checking the pots. What are you by yourself?
Yeah.
I'll go in the lockup then and have a look.
Yeah, catch mackerel like right off the t-shirt, lock up. Let's see if I can line out.
I've got a bit of an ounce about you.
What do you mean?
Hey?
What do you mean?
A bit of smarts.
Holy crap, dude. I've never seen anything like it. Lights come on down in my driveway. Kid you not, we shot guns. Some of the biggest guns I've seen in my life. Guns. I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere, dude. Wow. Packed up from this site. Time to move on to the next place. Been a great little spot.